Introducing Insta Group's Expo Prestige Kits, the ultimate portable and reusable exhibition solution. Want to stand out at every event? Our cutting edge kits are easy to ship, effortless to carry, and hassle free to install. These kits are lightweight, compact, and adaptable to any space. Expo Prestige helps you meet your sustainability goals. Each kit is built to last and can be reused over 100 times, reducing waste while delivering significant cost savings. Whether it's exhibitions, trade shows, conferences, seminars, or BTL activations, Expo Prestige kits provide a professional presence every time. Portable, cost effective, and designed to grow with your brand. Simply begin with the installation of the Expo system, add the magnetic bars, fix the panels, and complete the setup with LED lighting to highlight your products. Our system also offers the option of an attractive window showcase, perfect for displaying product boxes, samples, or any merchandise that deserves the spotlight. Upgrade your exhibition experience with Expo Prestige by Insta Group, where innovation meets convenience and your brand always stands out. For maximum visibility, you can also add a 360-degree rotating top branding unit, ensuring attention from every angle. The same kit can be reconfigured from a full exhibition booth to a sleek backdrop, giving you complete flexibility across all your marketing activities. Ready to make an impact? Visit our website or call us today.